My name is Joe and been with RVi a little over 2.5 years. Outside of work, it would have to come down to our kids, Spencer and Alexandria. So spend time with them as much as possible. My favorite part about being at RVi is just knowing everybody here at RVi and how helpful they are at any time for everybody. Just know that each individual here really cares what goes into our product line. Our product line is very important in our segment of the industry. So knowing that everybody is really focused on getting it right the first time is really important and also plays into our culture.